Hey YouTube, part 3 of the computer building tutorial. This one here shows you how to install motherboard into the case. This case here has got a removable back panel which has the motherboard standoff screwed onto it. So it was a lot easier to show you how to do this. So basically what you want to do is, first of all, never pick your motherboard up like this, but yeah. Then all you got to do is line up. Once your motherboard standoffs are screwed into your case, these ones here don't come out, so yeah, line them up with these holes here. They all basically look the same. There's just like two circles with bits of solder. Then you grab your screw. Now the first one, never do it up all the way, just enough so it's finger tight, so it's secure. Then you go to the next one. Now there should be 8 or 9 screws in total. Oh shit. Yep, next one is up here. Now your motherboard manual will have all these locations in them. See, that's why we didn't tighten it up all the way, because it doesn't fit, it was off center. Okay, and yeah, so that's basically just go through and do all of them. And then yeah, that's it for this one. I'm running out of memory on my camera, so I'm going to make this one quick. Next video will be how to install video card, hard drive and CD drive. Wait, no it won't be. It'll be how to install the power supply into the case.